Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to access investment guides in Bright. Are you ready to start investing but not sure where to begin? Bright's investment guides are here to help. First, open the Bright app and tap on Invest tab from your dashboard. Look for the section labeled Learn to Invest or Investment Guides. Tap to enter and you'll find a collection of step-by-step articles and videos designed for both beginners and experienced users. The guide covers topics like how stocks works, understanding risk levels, building a diversified portfolio, as well as long-term versus short-term investing. Each guide is broken down into bite-sized lessons and includes helpful visuals and examples. Some even come with interactive quizzes to test your understanding before you dive in. To personalize your experience, Bright may recommend specific guides based on your financial profile or previous investments. So be sure to mark guides that you like as favorites and enable notifications to receive new content as it's added. If you want to start building wealth confidently, these guides are the perfect place to begin. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more Bright tips.